So, hello everyone. We are from Group 2. We're gonna explain about our overall description of the software. So, the first thing first is product perspective. So, as the world becomes technology advanced, demand for programming related jobs becomes very high. So we came up with an idea of a software called the LLC project. It's a short for Lossless Natural Language Compiler Collection Projects. It allows the user to compile fourth generation natural language program into various programming languages, including C, Lua, JavaScript, Java, and more. And it provides detailed notes for each part of the code and shows step-by-step steps on how the compiled code works. The software also offers some tips for the user on how to improve the code and ensuring that the resulting code is optimized and effective. It's designed to be simple and user-friendly. LLCC helps with complex problems with ease by making sure that the code is logical and effective. LLCC ensures high performance every time it is used. And moving on, we have the product functions. Our software have three main functions. The first one is to get the detailed note of the output code. It means getting the detailed explanations for each line of code, allowing the user to master the functions and goals behind the implementation. The second one is step-by-step code execution. It allows the user how their code will be executed sequentially, step by step, so that they can understand the execution process and identify the potential problems. And the third one is to support various programming languages. Support various popular programming language so that they can be used by user with diverse needs.
In Chapter 2.3, User Classes and Characteristics, all users are expected to be computer literate. The most prominent users of this product are fledgling tech enthusiasts and/or hobbyists who want to learn or further develop their programming skills. Technical expertise is not all demanding, since LLC is designed to compile a language that is similar to English. With the emphasis on learning, schools can adopt LLC to teach students algorithmic thinking without the use of complex programming languages. In businesses, and more prominently startups, they can also adopt LLC to accelerate software development and reduce the need to hire expert programmers. And cut.
For the operating environment, the backend of the product will be designed to be able to run on server systems. Therefore, it must be developed to run efficiently on Linux-based operating systems because most servers run on Linux. Users may either choose to install and self-host the AI on their own machines. However, due to the complex nature of AI, this may not be possible for every user because most users don't have high-end PCs and workstations. Therefore, the website of LNLC will offer a cloud-based natural language compiler service for its users. The service will be accessed through a front-end application, which will make API calls to the LNLC servers for every compilation of natural language code. For Windows users, the front-end application will be GUI-based and easy to use. Linux users may install a simplified terminal-based version of the application for easier automation.
For the design and implementation constraints, users are required to install AI or make use of the provided compiler service. Without either of these steps, LNLC will not work. Just like using VS Code, the user are unable to code a language without installing the original language software. For example, if the user wants to create a Python code, it is necessary to install Python first.
For 2.6, we have user documentation. So we'll provide the tutorials in our official website in the form of short-form videos that focus on a method, function, and other important keywords. A more technical form of documentations will also be provided, giving information regarding every keyword and their usage in text form. And for the 2.7, which is the assumptions and dependencies. So since creating an AI model is complex, we could opt into using an FOSS third-party model to power the backend of the software. However, resorting to this may reduce the flexibility and freedom of our applications.